Hello friends, in today's video we will review Fanttik Fold S1 APEX electric screwdriver. Are you tired of wrestling with manual screwdrivers or bulky electric tools? The Fanttik Fold S1 APEX 3.7v Cordless screwdriver is here to make your life easier. This innovative tool combines cutting-edge technology with practical design to cater to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With features like screen interaction, a pivot handle, dual RPM modes, and a powerful 7N.M torque, this tool redefines convenience and efficiency. You can adjust the torque through the torque ring with 8 settings to ensure precision, and visually monitor the real-time torque levels on the screen. This provides a more precise and professional performance in various tasks. The USB-C charging port is compatible with most current chargers you already own. Its 2,500 mAh battery meets the demand for prolonged usage, preventing a decrease in power due to battery decay. With its ample battery capacity, it can warrant maximum torque. The LED ring light effectively provides illumination and has a larger light coverage area. Therefore, it works even in low-light environments and at night. If you want to buy this product, click on the link in the description of this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and if you want to know more about hardware tools, visit our website.